I posted a video using a realistic AI avatar to show you the free AI tools I use to make it talk and move, and that video actually went viral, hitting over 60,000 views already. Ever since then, I've been getting tons of appreciative messages and comments asking me to make a part 2. So today I'm finally doing that for you. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make your AI avatar talk and move using those same free AI tools I recommended. And if you stick with me till the end, I'll also share a little secret on how you can keep doing this consistently without paying for any AI tool. Now, if you're excited for this video, I want you to do something real quick. Like this video and comment, "Thank you for the free AI tools." Let me see you in the comments before we get started.
Now, the first thing you want to do is to generate a voiceover. This is simply what your avatar is going to say. And to do that, you can use AI tools like Minimax.io or ElevenLabs. For this tutorial, I'll be using ElevenLabs because it's very easy to use and it gives you really natural sounding voices. But if you want to stand out more, you can also decide to use your real voice for originality. You already know how YouTube works, right? So the more unique and real your content feels, the better it performs. Now, when you create a new account on ElevenLabs, you'll be given 10,000 free credits, which you can use to generate multiple voiceovers. So what you want to do is copy your script, that is what you want your avatar to say, and simply paste it here. Once you've done that, the next step is to select a voice. This is especially for those of you who don't want to use your real voice. ElevenLabs gives you different voice options, so you can choose the one that best fits your style. And perhaps you want a specific accent. This is what I usually do. I go to this place where I have the option to search for the accents. Let's take, for example, Nigerian. I search for Nigerian female, okay, and I'm given different options to choose from. You can just listen to each and every one of them and then choose the one that best fits your style. So once you have selected the voice, what you're going to do next is to click on generate speech so that it can generate your voice over using the selected voice. I think it's going to take less than 3 seconds. Yeah, it's done now. You're going to see something like this under. So you can choose to play the sound just to hear what it sounds like, and if it's, if you like it, you go ahead and download it. But if you don't like it, you can go ahead and regenerate this speech. So once you're fine with it, you just click on the download button to download the voiceover. Okay, so now that your voiceover is ready, the next step is to generate your avatar image. In fact, this particular step is the most fun step. When you see your result, you know what I'm talking about. To generate your avatar, you need a prompt, and we'll be using ChatGPT for this, okay? So you head to your ChatGPT tool, paste your prompt. If you want this particular prompt that I'm using, just let me know in the comment section, but make sure you tweak it, okay? Do not just copy and paste it exactly as I have. Tweak it to your liking, from the dress, the color of the dress, if it's going to be a female or a male, or just little details. You need to edit it, okay? So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using 2 different prompts. One to generate a realistic avatar, while the other one's going to be generating a 3D animated avatar. So one is going to look like a real human being, while the other one's going to look like cartoonish. Okay, so now that your prompt is ready, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on the send button and wait for the magic that ChatGPT will do for you. So guys, this is actually the image, the realistic avatar ChatGPT generated for me. So I just click on this place to download the image, and then let's quickly generate the 3D animated version. Perhaps you want a 3D animated talking avatar. You can decide to use this particular prompt, and please specify the prompt that you want in the comment section so I know the one to send to you. Okay, so paste it and then hit send to create your image. And there we have it. ChatGPT gave us 2 different images to choose from. So both of them are the 3D animated versions of our realistic avatar. Which one do you like after this? So let me know. Okay. Now that our image is ready, The next step is to make our avatar move. And just like I mentioned in the other video, I'll be using AI. This is actually the particular free AI tool I used to make my avatar move. As soon as you sign in as a new user on AI, you'll be given 100 free credits or shells as it's being referred to on this particular platform. Okay, and you can use this to do so many things, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be using it to change our image into a video. I can't wait for you to see the results. So now we are going to first add our image, the avatar image we created. To do that, you're going to click on this space where you have start frame. All right, don't bother about the end frame part. Okay, so you want to click on the plus sign, add your image, and after that you'll be adding a prompt beside it. You see where it says describe the video content you want to generate. Okay, that's where we're going to paste our prompt. And now this particular prompt, you don't have to tweak it, and if you wish you could just tweak it if you want something cool, but you can keep on using this prompt on and on to generate multiple talking avatars depending on what you want them to do while talking and how you want them to move. It's actually a short prompt. Just type in speaking, comma, smiling while making hand movements. That's just all you need to type. And you put your full stop. When you are done typing in your prompts, just click on generate or create and wait for the magic to happen. Okay, so our video is ready. Let's play it and see what it looks like. Just tap on it to play it. Wow. Are you guys seeing this? Are you seeing this? You can see that she's smiling, speaking, and making hand movements. And if you don't want your avatar to smile, you can just edit this prompt. Just add speaking while making hand movements. And let's see what that's going to give to us. Okay, the video is ready. Like I said before, tap on the video to play it. Voila. Do you see that serious face? That serious looks? You can actually make your avatar to do literally anything. Now that we have successfully turned our avatar image into a video, the next step is to make her talk. And to do this, I use Dreamface, which is an AI tool that can make your avatar speak or say anything. Just to have a better experience, I'll be using the Dreamface app. It makes everything easy for me. I'll leave the link to this app below, okay? Make sure you use it to register an account and then get started with the app. So to make your avatar talk, you want to click on this icon that says avatar talk or sing. The next thing to do here is to upload your video. You're going to click on the plus icon here to upload the video you already generated. Remember, we're not using an image. We're using the video that you generated from helio.ai. So this is the one I'm going to be using. You want to select your preferred video and click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, your video will be automatically added. So now you want to add the audio that you generated from the beginning, the voiceover that contains what you want your avatar to say. So now to do that, you want to click on this option that says want avatar to say or sing. And this is where you can even manually record your original voice. For those of you who will like to use your original voice, instead of importing any audio, you just click on the record button and then record whatever you want to say here so that the avatar can use your natural voice. Okay, it's that simple. And if you're not recording your natural voice, just click on that same option and click on import. You want to click on files so you can get the audio that you downloaded earlier on. So your voiceover is the one that begins with ElevenLabs. Select it and it will be automatically added to the app. You can listen to it just to be sure that it's the right voiceover so you don't waste time adding the wrong one. And when you're ready, just click on the confirm button. So you're going to see something like this, which means that your voiceover has been added successfully. Then you want to click on animate to get the syncing started. So when your video is ready, this is how it's going to look like.
The Jessy Studio made me.
That sounds amazing, right? But that's not the full video, anyways. I'll be playing that shortly, don't you worry. Just stick around. So when you're done, once your video is ready, you just click on the download button here to save it to your album. And yes, you can do this as many times as possible, depending on the length of video you want to create. And when all your videos are ready, you can just transfer them to an editing tool like CapCut to combine everything into a full video. Now it's time for the full reveal.
Hello, beautiful viewers. The Jessy Studio made me, and in this video, she's teaching you how to create one just like me, right? I hope you're enjoying the tutorial so far. Quickly like this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. That would make me really happy.
I don't really know about you, but that sounds so beautiful and it actually feels realistic. So if you don't like stress like me, you can generate a talking avatar to run your Faceless channel. Just be creative and have fun. And if you're wondering how I was able to remove the watermarks that you saw all this while, don't worry, I could do that in another video for you. If you know you're interested, just let me know in the comment section.
Now, just like I promised, I want to share my secret on how I use these AI tools for free consistently. Because to continue using these AI tools, it will definitely get to a point where you'll be asked to pay for the premium version. But let me show you how I do it. I'll be inviting the 3D talking avatar I generated to take this part.
Thank you, Jessy. So guys, take this down. To keep using these AI tools for free, here's what you need to do. First, create about 5 to 10 email accounts. Then set up 5 to 10 different browser profiles on your device. Now let me explain why this works. ElevenLabs gives you 10,000 free credits every month on their free plan. So if you have 10 accounts, that's up to 100,000 credits in total. Once you exhaust the credits on one account, you simply move on to the next one and continue your work without interruption. For Hilo.io, you honestly don't need to stress yourself too much unless you want your avatar to look different in every single video. What Jessy Studio does is simple. She maintains the same look and outfit across all her videos, and as a beginner, I recommend you do the same. Right now, your focus should be on the message and the value you're delivering, not just appearance. That's why it's very important to create an avatar that already looks like a professional YouTube content creator right from the start. Also, 100 credits should be enough to generate about 4 different speaking styles, which is more than enough to get you going. Now, Dreamface allows you to create 30-second videos up to 5 times every day. If you don't want to wait till the next day to continue your video, you can apply my strategy, but only on the web version, not the app. Let me give you a quick tip, especially if you're a beginner in the tutorial niche. You don't need to appear in your video from beginning to end. Simply generate your avatar video for the intro and the outro. Then, for the main part of your video, use your voiceover alongside a screen recording of what you're teaching. This approach helps you reduce how often you need to use Dreamface for avatar lip sync while still keeping your content engaging and professional. I hope this helped.
And just like that, you've successfully created your own talking and moving AI avatar using these AI tools for free. Now imagine what you can do with this. So guys, if this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and let me know what AI tool you want me to reveal in my next video. Remember to subscribe because you don't want to miss my next video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.